How to sync bank transactions to Notion. Click to add your first sync. Add your preferred bank. Now, choose the accounts you'd like to connect. Choose where you'd like your transactions to go. In this case, we'll select Notion. Bank Sync will automatically pull in your data from here. Then pick your sync schedule and you're done. Automation made easy in just 4 steps.